Bangladesh's International Crimes Tribunal on Monday sentenced ousted Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina to death after finding her guilty of crimes against humanity for ordering the use of drones, helicopters and other lethal weapons on civilians protesters during the 2024 uprising that toppled her government. Security was tightened across Dhaka and other major cities ahead of the highly anticipated verdict, with paramilitary forces and police deployed as the Awami League called for a nationwide shutdown. Hasina, tried in absentia while in exile in India, was convicted alongside former Home Minister Asaduzzaman Khan Kamal, also absconding, and former Inspector General of Police Chaudhry Abdullah Al Mamun, who appeared in court after pleading guilty in July. The tribunal ruled that Hasina and her aides orchestrated mass killings in Dhaka, sanctioned air assaults on crowds, murdered student activist Abu Syed, incinerated bodies to destroy evidence in Ashulia, and coordinated targeted killings in Chankharpur. The court stated that the refusal to appear despite repeated notices is admission of their guilt, while noting that Al Mamun would receive a lenient sentence for cooperating.